In this video, I'll show you how to get a free domain on Shopify. First, let's clear up an important detail. When people say free domain on Shopify, they often mean one of two different things. The first is the default Shopify address that ends in myshopify.com. The second is a custom domain like yourstore.com. These are not the same, and only one of them is normally included for free. When you create a Shopify store, Shopify automatically gives you a free myshopify.com domain. This is your default store address, and you can use it right away while building your site, adding products, and even sharing your store with others. To get it, all you need to do is sign up for Shopify and create your store. Once your account is set up, Shopify assigns your store a default URL based on the name you choose. That becomes your free Shopify domain. Now, if you want a custom domain, that usually needs to be purchased separately. A custom domain is better for branding because it looks more professional, but it is normally not free. You can buy one through Shopify or connect one you already own from another provider. If your goal is to save money in the beginning, the best option is to use the free myshopify.com address first. Then later, once your store is ready, you can upgrade to a custom domain when it makes more sense for your brand. To find your current store domain, go to Settings, then Domains in your Shopify admin. This section will show your default URL and any other connected domains. So the simple answer is this: create your Shopify store, and Shopify automatically gives you a free built-in domain to start with. That's the free option most new store owners use at the beginning. That's how to get a free domain on Shopify. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.